So friend, this is the my Blue Sky channel, and I'm talking about administrative tools in Control Panel series. You can see here. So first administrative tools, click on here, and I'm already three type making this video. So you can watch my Control Panel playlist inside part wise my all of video. So component services, event ODBC data source. So today we are learn about what is resource monitor. So resource monitor, what is why using this type windows inside. So you can see here first here event viewer, and what is the event viewer inside work administrator tools. So first you can see component service event viewer after resource monitor. So what is the resource monitor, and why using resource monitor? So this is my control panel, all of main your you know services and everything, information in resource monitor. So sometime resource monitor available for other, just like component services and event viewer options inside. So let's start what is a resource monitor and why using a resource monitor. Why use this resource monitor? So first, you are using any Windows operating system, that is old computer, desktop, laptop, anything. So resource monitor is in one type of Windows operating system. All of your resources, just like your anything your old operating system, anything your old file, new operating system, anything. So OS is one type of these Windows operating systems. In these, any your resources for file, drivers files, document files running background side. So this is one type of a Windows services. Check here, and update window, anything driver service, everything a list of your these in Windows resource monitor. Hardware process, one type of hard disk your services, CPU services, and some other services. Resource monitor here. Computer software program process here. So this is a computer process, anything here, this resource monitor here. Network, some process, how many type of network speed, how many type of network with some software connection here. So this showing here. And 5 is software you know process, background side process, some installed software, some drivers, other extra. So let's start here. So you can see here resource monitor and resource monitor shortcuts here, and you can see here left side these icons here, resources. So you can see here meter type, this type calculation meter type resource monitors looking here. So resource monitor different types for information here. So you can see here. So I'm just click on a resource monitor. You can see this type windows here, and every information here. So we are talk about all of resource monitor and why using a resource monitor, and you know so first you can see here right side and main left side. So all of you can see this type windows here appear, and all of available resource monitor: Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows XP, and Windows 10, Windows servers, everything. So you can see a resource monitor name here, and you can see first left side icons appear here, and resource monitor you can see here this type available for informations and source. So what is a resource monitor, and why using resource monitor? So first I'm just showing a files menu and the different type files. So save setting is, load settings is, restores I will talk about. Save settings means you can save your settings with a resource monitor, and load settings mean you already save file you can load here, and restore default means this is a operating system by default settings here in all of our resource monitors here. So why administrator using resource monitor, and you can see here. So first save restore your default file default any mistake in your resource monitor, so you can restore your default settings. Okay, so this is not setting perfectly for by customs, but 95% these type of settings set your and monitor means monitoring stop monitoring. So all of monitoring here you can see here. Okay, so you can see here disks and disks different tab here available in so what is a disk mean your hard disk, and you can take you want auto fit columns in window. So automatic fit your columns in windows mean left side right side anything you see here you can see. And we want to talk about take help just like resource monitor Microsoft Windows operating system version 10.0.10. Okay, Microsoft Corporation already reserved Microsoft company this create resource monitor systems here. So first talk about overview. Overview means all of you can see CPU, memory, and disk network. Okay, so what is a network inside and how can we identify this type and why using resource monitoring. So overview. Okay, so first what is the resource monitor? Resource monitor means you check your performance as a your 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 main monitor, your main systems, and your systems everything small to small, your services and programming files and process file. So and how much you using this you can see here CPU use. So it is a very important, and 39 maximum frequency you can see here. So what is the 31, 32, 35, what is the maximum frequency I will discuss in video. So you can see here first image and PID and description. So image means all of your services exe files, just like your system files, your all installed systems and everything, just like. So all of overview CPU with here. Okay, so you any software install, you any operating system services install, all of install in your operating systems, and operating system work with CPU and different types services here you can see here. So operating system main inside you can click upon your start menu, and you can see a camera record.exe. This is my software. Okay, so software system software and operating system, so all of work with CPU, and without CPU you cannot work any small to small process work here is a very important for process and systems. So you can see here process ID, descriptions and status. So what is the status inside you can see here running different tab running, some suspend. So what is a suspend? It means my these type services I'm stopped. CPU overview inside all of mixed type CPU, can see overview inside different CPU, RAM, disk, network, everything in your resources mean your process your data, process your services, process your systems, and work your work your software. So all of data and data everything how can work with CPU, how much using CPU. Okay, so you can see a Realtek HD audio manager. This is my audio systems and audio services here. Okay, so this is a very important for audio means. So you can see thread means this tab using CPU, how much CPU using, and average CPU means how much load of your CPU. So RKGUI64.exe this type software files here. These services start and perform.exe means resource and performance monitor, automatic start and process ID. So all of different type process ID available, and automatically these process ID give number by default operating systems. So you can see here, I'm just give example first. You can see here your desktop, and desktop automatically change these my images here. Okay, so you can see here this is a my elephant type images, and how can this type using so who is a desktop window manager, this type services automatically change my you know uh, my images and automatic system and running in different type thread in. You can see 8 4 in different type. So this is all of services process work with CPU. Audio, you can see audio g.exe means my speakers and systems here. So all of your systems, all of your services available in you can see here. Okay, and window logon systems mean these my administrator login systems here. You can see here. So we this is a very important for very using this CPU with process. Every process work with this CPU, and any process may be main some process CPU with main software. You can see here this map tab and frequency. So you can see 100% means your very load, very busy type your CPU and not perfectly fast work. And you can see here 16 second, one means 1 minute inside different type process. So green means your CPU, and your blue tab means your frequency of speed. So you can see a different type process and process with all of okay. This is a disk means my hard disk. So overview inside all of four type uh, information available: CPU, disk, network, and RAM. So disk means you can see here hard disk means hard disk inside how many type my hard disk 1 Mbps 1 second inside 1 MB, you know transfer data and transfer different type services here. So you're all up working your operating system inside, without your data, your systems, your IDs and different type, your softwares, your operating system, your settings, everything work with your hard disk and CPU and motherboard with every RAM component. So system, what is a system? NT kernel and system. This is a very main operating system. Starting booting, just cut it. Starting time, is very important files here. So you can see right click and end process. What is the end process mean? You click end process mean these services, this is status change stop here, and end process team means this type file with other files, file available. And process means all of file stop working from here. And analyze, what is a chain means you can analyze your systems, and sometime not for perfect. Suspend process mean you stop everything and suspend, not again your start. So you can see here left side in this services name, and description mean your what is the services, why using a services related information. So software information, services information, all of mixed CPU with work here. Okay, so computer engineer and server type engineer work with these important administrative tools. And network, what is the network? My network not perfectly, I'm connect here. And memory means my RAM is showing here. You can see, so 100 hard fault and seconds. So network means I'm not connect with my network because I'm offline here, but I'm just showing you CPU systems. So CPU, this is a CPU process, all of CPU. So you can see here thread means different type, continue this type files. And CPU, how many type using a process with complex. You can see here, I'm just give an example with take one CPU with this process. Maybe sometime I'm click and first check services, and sometime this node service is only for process. So all of your system process, your hardware, your software, your programs. So you can see average CPU using. So average means your CPU load, and CPU thread means your system files work with this type with CPU. So you can see count here in very mode up 10 to 50. So it is a very low type software, very long time processing software. So sometimes your system, your computer very slow type. So why this type? Because process very heavy and low type process here. So suspend process, why suspend process? Sometimes I'm not using this type of software not using, but automatically start background side, and my computer slow down, so I can change and suspend. So this you can see here, CPU, memory, disk, and network. Here you can see different type. So I'm just talk about this services. You can search exe. So you can see a Cortana application. Cortana application means my system installed default Cortana applications. So I'm only told about just now application software, your system services file, the system process, all of work with your CPU and RAM and your hard disk. So all of your system you can see here in how many type and how many using CPU system, CPU, your process and the process ID. So first you want to check your name, and you maybe you like you want to fast your computer. So sometimes service is not perfectly not need without unnecessary files, unnecessary process start automatically. So you can suspend here and stop here. So friend, this video long duration video here. So I will discuss in the resource monitor more information in the resource monitor part 2 here. How using and how many tab information in resource monitor technologies, and this is options why using very important for systems here. So this is all of my video part wise here. Watch my video part wise, either you cannot understand. And how many type different type process in monitor resource monitor. So I will discuss in part 2. Click on bell icon, click on subscribe button, and click on like button for my motivation. And you want notification first, so click on bell icon. So this reason you can first understand. I already created different type videos of control panel topic. So all of my video control panel in topic one by one discuss in my computer. So all of these control panel depend and these settings here same here. So I will meet you next time. Thanks for watching my video.